Everyone wants to be rich, but let's be honest, most people in their 20s are barely surviving. Rent, bills, and that student loan, it feels impossible to save. But here's the truth, you don't need a six-figure salary to start building wealth. You just need the right strategy. Why most people stay broke? The reason most people stay broke isn't because they don't earn enough. It's because the moment money comes in, they spend it. They call it rewarding myself. But billionaires call it losing capital. The truth is, you can't invest what you've already spent. Every dollar you waste on showing off is a dollar that could have made you more money. Rule number 1, spend less than you earn. Sounds basic, right? But this is where 80% fail. If you earn $1,000 a month and spend $950 this studio, you're not saving, you're surviving. Track every expense for 30 days. You'll be shocked how much you spend on things that don't matter. Start small. Aim to save 20% of your income, not for emergencies, for opportunities. Rule number 2, invest early, even if it's small. Most people wait until they earn more to invest. That's the biggest mistake. Compounding doesn't care about how much you start with. It only cares when you start. $100 invested every month for 10 years can turn into thousands. But if you start 10 years later, you'll never catch up. Start early, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Rule number 3. Build assets, not liabilities. Assets make you money while you sleep. Liabilities take money while you work. Your car? Liability. Your business, investments, or even a YouTube channel? That's an asset. Build things that produce income, not things that need it. Rule number 4, automate and forget. The easiest way to save is to never see the money. Set an automatic transfer. The moment your salary arrives, 20% moves to savings or investment. What you don't see, you don't spend. Make wealth building automatic. Rule number 5, increase your earning power. Saving is important, but you can't save your way to millions. You must increase your income streams. Learn skills that pay. In today's world, knowledge compounds faster than money. Every skill you learn today becomes tomorrow's passive income. The reality of wealth. Wealth isn't built in a day, but every day you wait, you lose time. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, the goal isn't to look rich, it's to be financially free.